G'day, Martin from Megathing here, and I'm here to talk to you today about conferencing. So the reason we're talking about this now is this time of year there's generally a lot of conferences going on, so people need to put names on, introduce themselves and network as you do. So Avery have given me a heap of samples here to go through with you, and this is the family, basically ranging from the fabric badges to the kits and to the other place cards and multi-purpose cards. So we'll go through each family, each product family separately. So to start off with, we're going to talk about the fabric name badges. Okay, so there's three different types here, and why is there three different types? Well, there's three different sizes for starters. However, these ones here are relatively the same in terms of badge size, but these ones you can actually print and divide. So the awesome thing about these is that when you print it up, you can split them up with perforations and able to present them out there so people can just come along, see their name, pick it up and put it straight on. Also, the good thing about these labels is you're not putting pins into your clothing. I know sometimes when you go to conferences, you've got some good gear on, you don't want to be putting pins into that. So these are fabric name badge labels. Okay, the next family that I'm going to talk about is let's talk about the kit actually. So this does come with the pins if you don't care about pinning your good clothes. So basically, this kit here comes with the plastic badges as well as 3 sheets of 8 cards, so 24 cards that people can use. So probably for a small conference type thing. But it's all there. Just print with the software that you can use online. And lays it up, run it through your printer and away you go. So that's laser and inkjet as well. And as well, you have more that can go into it. So this is a pack that would go with this as well. And it's got 25 sheets, so 200 cards at 8 up, so they fit inside that. Alternatively, you could just buy the plastic name badge that you can get from us or anywhere, and they'll be able to print them up at work or the office, and away you go, put them into the cards. But I still do think that this print and divide option that I spoke about earlier, and we'll go through separately, is a better option because you don't have to worry about pinning or clipping it on. The other one is, the other two are more so for placeholders or place cards. So this one's sort of like a table tent, but your size is 85 by 40, 85 millimeter by 40, so about a business card folded. Okay, so it sits like a tent, so you can put that in placeholders on the table. And the other one is the ones that can be put against these little holders, placeholders, the metal things, so a little bit more fancier than just your folded card. So that's basically the family in a nutshell, and we'll go through a few individual ones next.